Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram profile private. So the first thing we need to do to make your Instagram profile private is to open up Instagram. And once you're in Instagram, go down and select the profile icon in the bottom right. Once we're on our Instagram profile, we're going to open up the menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right. Once the menu opens, go down to the bottom and select Settings. And then in the settings, you want to select privacy. Now that we're in privacy, under connections, select account privacy. And then as you can see right here, we can use this toggle switch to make our account private. It's going to give us a quick warning that just says that only people we approve can see our photos, stories, and videos, but that it will not affect any existing followers. So I'm going to go ahead and select OK. And then now our Instagram profile is private. And just as a quick example, this is what it will look like if someone goes to a private profile. It'll simply tell them that the account is private and they won't be able to see any of the pictures or stories, anything like that. So that's how you make your Instagram account private. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.